my chap probably saved my life because the chainsaw hit the chap part on my left leg. And it's designed with all the fiber strings in the chap. If a chainsaw catches it, we'll start wrapping around it really quick, and we'll stop the chainsaw right there before it can do any damage to whatever body part it hits. This time it was my leg. And my chap was here we go. Here's that chap. Hit my leg. Get all the fiber strings. This is the old one that I hit previously before. This was much more pronounced. It did not go underneath my chap, as you can see. It's all clear. And I was wearing jeans. Even that would not have helped had it gone through. So I got up and got some new chaps. Here we go. Got some new ones. 84 bucks at Ace Hardware Store. So for the price, it's well worth the money. It's not at all an inconvenience, because what would be and what would be an inconvenience would be getting cut by the chainsaw in my leg, me going to the hospital, and maybe even be bleeding to death, or other emergency surgeries. That would be a lot more expensive than the $84 chap for the new one to replace this one. So that's the big difference here. And people complained about the price of the chap. It's well worth it to get one when you do chainsaw work. Wear every single time when you go out and do your chainsaw, because that action will probably save your life someday. So now I'm going through the process, trying to get all the strings out of my chainsaw and the chains. There's a few more strands that I got to pull and clean out. So